You can arrange content into column and rows by dragging blocks to create your desired layout. There's a few different column types you can create. First, hover over the page content and click Edit. To create a column that stretches the full height of the page, click and drag a block until the guideline stretches vertically along the entire page. This creates a new column that splits the entire page. To create a new column to match the height of another block, click and drag it until the guideline matches the height of the other one. You can change a column width by clicking and dragging to expand or shrink it. This changes both the width and the overall size of the blocks. To create a new row stretching the entire page or post, click and drag a block so the guideline stretches horizontally across the entire page. To match the width of another block, you can move it above or below another one until the guideline shrinks to match the width of the existing block. Then click Save. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.